Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing our series of pattern therapy and today we will learn pattern number 3. Subscribe for regular art tutorials. Like in our previous videos or patterns, the first step is the same. We'll draw a basic outline so that we know this is the area where we have to fill our pattern. I will again be drawing squares of 4 by 4 and that's why I'm marking my line after every fourth dot. I'm repeating the same step vertically. Marking the outline is the first step because then it gives you an idea how spread your artwork will be or how much time taking it will be or lets you equally divide the space. As I mentioned it many times, try not to rotate your sheet. As a beginner, you definitely can, there's no hard and fast rule. But if you want to improve your wrist movements, make sure you don't do that. Now I'm drawing the vertical lines. And the same step will be repeated for horizontal lines. We'll start with the left topmost square. Start by joining the opposite points and then drawing curves on both sides. Make sure to keep it inside the square only. So as you can see, it looks crowded at 2 points and then relaxed in the center. We'll repeat the same step but in the opposite direction. So in the above first square, we had from left top corner to right bottom corner. But for the second square, we have right top corner and left bottom corner. You will repeat the same step for all the squares. Just take into consideration or be careful about the direction. The next square has to be in the opposite direction to create a 3D effect. Now for the next box, we will go again exact opposite of the first square. So the first square was left top to right bottom, but next one will be left bottom to right top. This will give an illusion that all these 4 squares are meeting at this common center. Again, the exact opposite step. As you can see, the 3D effect is slowly coming to life. You can try different versions of this pattern. In one, you can keep all in the same direction. In the second one, you can draw all in only 2 directions. And then this is the third one where we are using 4 directions. You can try this pattern in all 3 variants and see what difference does it make? How one will look different from another one just by changing their direction. This exercise is very helpful for your wrist movement and practicing curves. As you can see, there is extensive use of curves for this one. You can also draw this pattern using different color pens, and that would be amazing. Either you can choose your colors row wise or column wise, or use multicolors randomly. Changing even one factor for the patterns or an artwork completely changes the final outcome. And if you try to boost your creativity, you should definitely go forward and try all the different variants that you can think of. You can see how slowly this pattern is coming to life. This is a very relaxing activity. If you have small kids at your home, I highly recommend you to encourage them and practice pattern therapy. For school-going kids or working professionals, pattern therapy is very useful for reducing anxiety, increasing concentration, and relaxing mind and body.